Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 760 NC Bluetooth headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a LG Smart TV. This is an LG with WebOS. First thing is, let's go to the settings on your LG TV. If you have a settings button on your remote, you can go that way. If not, on this model here, if you click on the home page, the home button, you can navigate to the settings, the top right hand side, the gear icon. So I'm going to navigate that way. I'm going to go up, and then right, gear icon, OK on the remote. Now on the left pane here, we want to go down, one more, sound out right there. Now sound out is currently coming out of my internal TV speakers, but we wanted to come out of these headphones. So let me select sound output there. And now I'm going to move to the right. Okay, let's move to the right, looking for Bluetooth. Hey, sound out Bluetooth. That's what we want right there. It says Bluetooth. Now I'm going to go down one to device list. Now OK on the remote. Give it one moment. Okay, so now you can see under where it says search, it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So now we got to hurry up and put these into pairing mode. Okay, so if you look on here, on the one side here, you have all the buttons, and we have the power button right here. These headphones are currently off. Let me turn these on. I'm going to press and hold that power button for a few seconds. Light turns on here. Now what I want is a blue blinking light, which would indicate it's in pairing mode. Okay, I don't get a blue blinking light. I get a solid blue blinking light. The reason is because it's connected to a different device. I think it's connected to my Samsung phone. So for myself, let me go ahead and turn these off first. I'm going to turn them off, hold the power button for a few seconds. Now they're off. Now for me, I'm going to press and hold the power button this time and keep holding until I get the blue blinking light here. Power button here, ready, go. Press and hold. I'm going to keep holding now. Now I want to wait for a blue blinking light. Still holding blue, blue, blue. Now it's in pairing mode. Now we're going to go back to the TV here. And the search took too long, so we have to search it again. So it's already highlighted. I'm going to click on OK. Now it's searching again, okay? It's still in the pairing mode here, and it did find the JBL Tune 760, so I'm going to go ahead and highlight that in fuchsia red right there. Click on OK on the remote. It just connected. I heard a little beep on here as well, and you can see the check mark on the JBL Tune 760. So there we go. We're connected, ready to go. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting problems, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look in the link below in the description area.